As Vasai celebrates the holiday season, Our Lady of Grace Cathedral stands as a testament to 450 years of faith and resilience. Established in 1565 by the Portuguese Jesuits, this church was among the earliest parishes in South Vasai.
During the time of Portuguese invasion, these churches were built by the Portuguese. The original church was in the fort, Vasai fort, and from there we branched out here to different places. From this is South Vasai, but we have North Vasai. There are some churches which are in North Vasai.
Despite the Maratha invasion in 1739, the cathedral miraculously remained unscathed. In 1864, the cathedral underwent a significant reconstruction, enhancing its architectural grandeur while preserving its historical essence. The cathedral's facade reflects a blend of the late 16th and early 17th century design, adorned with 19th century Gothic elements, showcasing a unique design. Recognizing the need to preserve this historical monument, extensive renovations have been undertaken to restore its structural integrity and aesthetic splendor.
The church took about 1.5 years, but it was done by the people, right people. It was the archaeology department, which helped to do it in an original form. The church is been done such a beautiful way. They have preserved everything which was there in original form, which is there, and especially the painting, even the woodwork which is there, is been restored by the Sequeira brothers, who are the most famous people in India today also. Yes. So they did it. They are originally from Vasai parish only.
Every Christmas, the cathedral becomes a focal point for the community, adorned with festive decorations, echoing with carols, and filled with the warmth of the congregational unity. Today, Our Lady of Grace Cathedral stands as more than just a historic monument. It is a living sanctuary of spiritual devotion.